Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Sushi Bazooka is probably one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets I've come across. It promises to transform your home cooking experience, allowing you to create perfect sushi rolls with minimal effort. In this video, we're diving deep into the Sushi Bazooka, exploring its features, ease of use, and whether it truly lives up to the hype of making sushi at home a breeze. Number 5. Impresa Musubi Maker Kit, 2-pack. Nothing tastes better than fresh sushi. With this kit, you can create delicious handmade Hawaiian musubi in your own home. It's easy to use and the results are fantastic. This musubi mold isn't just for musubi. You can also use it to make tasty snacks like onigiri, sekire, kimbap, and sushi rolls. They will look and taste like they came from a restaurant. The musubi press is made from BPA-free and non-toxic materials. The rounded edges and non-stick surface make it easy to create your favorite musubi. The press helps flatten the rice perfectly. The musubi press mold couldn't be easier to use. Just place the maker on the nori, press the rice down, and add your favorite meat. It's that simple to create Hawaiian sushi. You'll receive 2 standard-size musubi molds. Why spend more for the same quality? Start making fresh sushi at home today with this convenient kit. What we like. This musubi maker is perfect for creating delicious Hawaiian musubi at home. It features a non-stick surface and is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring your food is safe and easy to handle. If you are looking for a simple and healthy way to enjoy homemade sushi, this is a great choice. What people say. Super easy to use, and clean. Used 3 times so far and seems durable. The spam slice fits perfect. Works pretty well. I don't have any problems with it, made some musubi with it. This is a whole lot easier to just slap down some rice, press it on the seaweed and add the spam. I can make a quick dozen in the time it'd used to take me to just get 1-2 out. Number 4. Delamu 22-in-1 Sushi Making Kit. Discover the joy of sushi making with this kit. It's perfect for beginners, with simple and ergonomic tools to help you create delicious sushi rolls with ease. You and your loved ones can explore the world of sushi making together. This 22-piece kit has everything you need to make amazing sushi. From the bazooka roller to the various molds and knives, it includes all the tools to make sushi easy, fun, and delightful. With all these pieces working together, you'll find sushi making easy, fun, and delightful. The included manuals make it simple to use the tools. You'll learn how to prepare sushi rice and roll sushi. Plus, there are 6 sample recipes to get you started. If anything goes wrong, we are glad to help you. This kit is made with quality materials for your safety and satisfaction. The bamboo mats are held together with cotton strings, and the knife is extra sharp with a non-stick coating. You can be sure that it will last for a long time. Whether you're a beginner or a chef, this kit is perfect for making professional-looking sushi. Follow the handbook step by step to create fresh, tasty rolls anytime. It's great for parties or family nights. What we like. This comprehensive sushi making kit provides everything you need to get started, including a variety of molds and tools. It includes a detailed user guide to help you master the art of sushi making. If you are a beginner looking to explore the world of sushi, this kit will make it easy and fun. What people say. This sushi making kit was so fun to use. The kids loved the plastic shape so they could make their own. The instructions were very helpful for making sushi the first time. The Sushi Bazooka roller is a unique feature and makes rolling sushi easier than ever. It helps create even, tightly rolled sushi every time, while the rice spreader ensures the rice is perfectly distributed. All the items are very handy. I love the onigiri molds and the additional sushi mold which provides additional shapes other than using the bazooka barrel. I love the 2 little dishes for sauce and wasabi dipping. Number 3. URED Sushi Bazooka Sushi Maker Kit. This sushi maker is easy to use. Simply load it with rice, vegetables, and meat, then squeeze out perfect sushi rolls. It's a great kit for beginners. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, this sushi maker ensures safe and healthy sushi making. You can enjoy your homemade sushi with peace of mind. This tool helps you make perfectly rounded sushi rolls quickly and easily at home. It's a convenient way to enjoy sushi without spending a lot of money. The compact design is easy for anyone to use, even children. It's a perfect gift for sushi lovers and suitable for family gatherings. Make sushi a part of your happy family gatherings. It's a great way to interact with your children and create lasting memories. This tool makes it easy. Imagine making sushi with your kids on a weekend morning. Watch their eyes light up when a perfect sushi roll emerges. Transform kitchen moments into lifelong memories. Create beautiful sushi rolls and turn appetizers into edible art. It requires zero skill, just laughter and creativity. Enjoy a fun and sophisticated experience. What we like. This Sushi Bazooka is designed for ease of use, even for children, making it a perfect family activity. It's made from safe, food-grade materials, ensuring your health and safety. If you like making sushi with your children, this is a great choice to have more interaction and companionship. What people say. We got a perfect roll first time we used it. Easy to use. The sushi came out perfect. I found rolling sushi by hand time consuming, and this makes it so much faster and neater. Number 2. AISHN 11.8 Sushi Bazooka Sushi Maker. Introducing the AISHN Sushi Maker. This tool makes creating delicious sushi rolls incredibly easy, even for beginners. You'll enjoy a fun and seamless sushi making experience. The set includes a Sushi Bazooka's cap and plunger. Measuring approximately 11.8 inches, it's compact and easy to use or store. It's designed for your convenience. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply rinse it with water after use. The non-stick technology prevents rice from sticking, saving you time and effort. Made from food-grade, eco-friendly materials, it's non-toxic and safe. The biodegradable packaging also helps reduce your carbon footprint, making it a sustainable choice. We're here to help. If you have any issues, please contact us. AISHN offers professional after-sales service to ensure a worry-free experience. What we like. This sushi roller makes creating sushi rolls effortless, even for beginners. It is made from food-grade, eco-friendly materials, and is designed for easy cleaning. If you are looking for a simple, environmentally conscious way to make sushi, this is a great choice. What people say. It's so simple to use. Oil it, pack it with rice, put other ingredients in the center, close, twist and push for a perfect sushi roll. It's great if you like sushi, have a big family, and do not always want to go out for rolls. It's easy to make. Made rolling a sushi roll very easy. Also easy to clean. Number 1. Sushedo Sushi Bazooka Sushi Making Kit. Making sushi rolls can be fun for the whole family. This kit makes it easy, safe, and enjoyable for everyone. It has no small parts or sharp edges. Cleaning up is a breeze. This sushi maker is dishwasher safe, making it super convenient. The packaging is also made of 100% recyclable craft cardboard. Struggling to find the perfect gift? This Sushi Bazooka is a fantastic choice. It's a unique and practical present that anyone can enjoy. Don't worry if you've never made sushi before. This DIY sushi kit is designed to help you create delicious rolls with ease. It's simple and straightforward to use. Forget expensive restaurant trips. With this Japanese sushi maker, you can make sushi at home. It saves you both time and money. What we like. This Sushi Bazooka makes sushi making easy, fun, and safe for everyone. It is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you are looking for a great gift idea, this is a perfect solution. What people say. It's well made and all plastic, so no rusting. Very easy to clean. Each roll comes out consistent and firm. You don't even need the bamboo roller. This makes amazingly beautiful rolls with pretty much no effort. They do slide out. They do not fall apart. They cut beautifully. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.